Yeah, no. Yeah, I sound so wrong. Why am I saying yo so much? Well, nothing to say, sorry. My reputation, wait, crap. So today I'm gonna be grinding levels for no reason, cause like, yeah. And by the way, the other girl a part of this, her Roblox account got hacked, so please don't judge that she is a, default. I'm Mr. Fortnite. Fabrice is literally gone through my mouth. Well, please don't judge that she is, crap, what's the word? That she is, that her avatar has, like, nothing on it, that she has nothing real high. Speed up. Okay, yeah, where is this? Oh, yeah, there. Wait, crap, that's stupid. Sorry, I'm doing something right now. So, like, while I'm diamond hunting, I always go here first if I want to get levels. So, this is part 1 to getting levels. And then for this, you just want to go all the way down here. Wait, is there at least, like, 1 diamond here? Question. Because I go here a lot. There's, like, never been a diamond. Okay, well, sit down here. And then play a game on your phone, watch TikTok, etc. If you don't have a phone, you can also watch, like, you can do whatever during this time. To be honest, I'm just on my phone. So, heartbreak, I got it. Oh crap, I was supposed to play music. Exactly, I'm playing no game. No. Oh my god, she texted. Hold up, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Somebody was messaging me. What the heck? That took a little. What am I doing? Well, yeah, I will have to go every single round then, because people will be messaging me. So, yeah, and sorry, my friend came in. I'm always gonna be the bad child. Orange, blue, and if my friend beats me in this, it's actually gonna be pretty sad because I'm actually kind of fast at it. Well, I'll be right back until next class. Okay. Oh my god, somebody just messaged me. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. People keep messaging me. Yes, I want to dance on this. That actually took a while to do. Somehow I'm still gonna be standing. Like, don't you just love my Roblox avatar? I don't know why, but like, why did my music just stop? Like, seriously. I'll be right back after art class is done, but yeah. And I will show tips on every single class once I'm done with this, so yeah, bye. bye. I'll be right back after it's done. Okay, I'm back, and well, in class, I literally just been, oh my god, I've only done 2 classes today. I accidentally skipped PE because somebody's messaging me, but like, look at my level bar already. Oh my god, hold up. Oh my god, I am literally about to kill myself. People are like messaging me. Sorry. Oh my god, I'll be right back. Oh my god, it's lunch. I keep going back when like it's like something like this. So when lunch is done, so what you want to do in the VIP server is that after lunch is done, you want to go sleep, then you want to come back here. After the day's done. So I'll be back when lunch is done, of course. So yeah, yes, I did change my outfit, but people are like messaging me like so much. So oh my god. But I don't feel like showing the messaging me. Like they're not messaging me like anything bad. I just thought like I don't want to show you guys Discord. What the flip? Why is there like broken hearts right there? I'm so like weird. In English. But I'll be right back once English is done. Yes, I know I'm pausing a lot. Just I want to make this video as short as possible. So yeah. I'm not gonna pause the video anymore because like there's like one more video, one more minute for this day. Like there's just this day in general. It's just that the whole entire school day in your high takes a little more than 6 minutes. So that's why I kept pausing. But then I also have to go sleep. Bro, why isn't the elevator taking me up? It's literally being stupid. I'll be right back to go replace somebody. So I'm going to my apartment right now since I just finished my day at high. You can see I literally just leveled up. So oh wait, crap! I should do a little more than I did at high since I'm at 20% on sleeping. Maybe I go always go until the pageant time, cause otherwise you can like just watch TikTok, YouTube, whatever you want during that time. You can watch this video during that time. You probably won't, but in case. Silence. Oh man, I swear I'm like sick. I swear. But yeah, so I always go there and then I will be right back once I get to the school, the school, and then I shall level up. Yes. If I was at like not full, yeah. But soon I'm gonna. Wait, why am I going back there? This is the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to talk fast because I'm not trying to make this video long at all, but oh my god, why did I have that open? But bye. It was nice playing with you guys. I mean, not playing. It was nice. Thank you for watching it. That's what I meant when I saying.